Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's me inside Bergdorf, NYSE Einstein. There is nothing that is going to dislocate this boom economy, this bull market, longest in history. This market that's at 26,000, almost 100, up 15, Russell up an odd lot, Spiders up an odd lot. Today's activity does not do anything to describe in any way where we're at the time. We've got interest rates rising, commodity prices rising, and energy stocks under pressure, and the market still continues. Nothing is going to dislocate this rally. There is a boom economy. Larry Kudlow, the advisor of the president, said it today. Earnings guidance are solid. Unemployment is low. Slowly, gradually rising interest rates into a strong economy and a strong market is fueling this market, okay? The market is taking everything that it throws at it. Trade wars, tariffs, didn't dislocate it, and that's now off the table. Mexico, tariffs, wall, that was on the table, that's off the table now. A half a NAFTA agreement on the table, that did not dislocate it. North Korean war, Brexit, all these things did not dislocate it. Fighting with China, fighting with Iran, sanctions, Russia, madness out of Washington, that did not dislocate it. There were short-term emotional sell-offs, that is true. There was some anxiety and fear in the marketplace, that is true. But at every level, there's an underlying bid in this market, and that is getting tighter and tighter and tighter, and firming up on a basic level where all of the resistance and ceilings on this market at every level over the last 18 months are now support and foundation. It's okay. Go ahead, Maria. That's Maria. She's wonderful. Anyway, so at the end of the day, we're in Super Bowl territory. All flags of possible recession are taken off the table. Okay? There's absolutely nothing here to dislocate it. That's all I'm going to say. We're coming to the end of August. My gut is that with a small MSCI rebalance on Friday and an end of month trade coming in on Friday and a market that's gone nothing but up, we may see some sell side. We may see some profit taking, but nothing of anything consequential. For September is a big month. The volumes are going to be back. Everyone's coming back to work. Everyone's going back to school, and the market should be solid and fine. Sure, there may be disasters that dislocate this market on a short-term emotional headline level, but at the end of the day, the market is telling us what it thinks about all of these things, and that it is still bullish, the longest bull market. We're coming into the anniversary of the fall of Lehman Brothers. We've seen lower left decimation of markets and jobs and banks go to a point of the highest level we've ever seen in the Russell, NASDAQ, S&P, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Okay? We've seen a complete rebound in every level of this economy as far as interest rates, as far as unemployment, as far as guidance, as far as earnings, as far as retail, mergers and acquisitions. It's all back on board. Everything's back on the table. Negative narrative off, positive narrative there. That's all I got to say. I don't really need to elaborate on it for today. Coming into the end of August, after a rather lackluster, quiet August, I must say, but a huge bull market all through August. This market is at its top and breaking new ground on a daily basis. I've been talking about it for a while. It feels right, it feels strong, it feels good. The market is supporting it in a big way. This is NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange inside Bergdorf. I love you. I'll see you again tomorrow.